In today's digital age, your online presence is your resume. It's the first thing potential employers and professional connections see about you. LinkedIn stands as the premier platform for professionals. It's not just a social network, it's a professional network designed to help you grow and succeed in your career. It's where your career story unfolds. Every detail you add to your profile helps paint a picture of your professional journey. With millions of users globally, LinkedIn connects job seekers and employers like never before. It's a vast network where opportunities are just a connection away. Think of LinkedIn as your professional launchpad. It's the platform that can propel your career to new heights. It's where you showcase your skills, experience, and aspirations. Your profile is a living document that evolves as you grow in your career. A well-crafted LinkedIn profile can be your ticket to new opportunities. It can open doors to jobs, collaborations, and professional growth. It's where recruiters search for talent, and your profile is your chance to make a lasting impression. Make sure it reflects your best self. But LinkedIn is more than just an online resume. It's a platform where you can share your thoughts, achievements, and insights with a professional audience. It's a dynamic networking platform. Building connections here can lead to mentorship, partnerships, and even friendships. Connect with colleagues, mentors, and industry leaders. These connections can provide guidance, support, and opportunities throughout your career. Join groups, engage in discussions, and build relationships that can shape your career trajectory. Active participation can set you apart and make you a recognized voice in your field. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital storefront. It's the first thing recruiters see, so making it shine is crucial. Think of it as your first impression in the digital world. Start with a professional headshot. This is your chance to visually communicate your professionalism. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo that presents you in a positive light. A well-taken photo can make a significant difference. Your headline is your elevator pitch. It's a brief yet powerful statement. It should be concise, attention-grabbing, and clearly communicate your value proposition. Think about what makes you unique. Don't just state your current title, highlight your skills and aspirations. This is where you can showcase your potential. Your summary is your chance to tell your story. What are your passions? What drives you? What are your key accomplishments? Highlighting these can set you apart from the competition. Write in the first person to make it personal and engaging. This helps to create a connection with the reader. Remember to use keywords relevant to your field. These are the terms recruiters will be searching for. This will help recruiters find you when searching for candidates. Keywords are essential for visibility. A well-optimized profile can significantly boost your visibility. The more visible you are, the more opportunities you can attract. Engage with your network regularly. Comment on posts, share insights, and connect with industry leaders. Join LinkedIn groups related to your field. Participate in discussions to showcase your expertise. Keep your profile updated with new achievements and skills. This shows that you are active and continuously growing. Lastly, seek recommendations from colleagues and supervisors. These testimonials can add credibility to your profile. With these steps, your LinkedIn profile will be a powerful tool in your job search arsenal. LinkedIn is all about connections. Networking is a powerful tool for career growth. Start by connecting with people you know, colleagues, classmates, and former coworkers. Don't be afraid to reach out to people in your industry. Personalize your connection requests. Mention a shared interest or a common connection to break the ice. Joining LinkedIn groups is a great way to expand your network. Engage in discussions, share your insights, and learn from others in your field. Building relationships takes time, so be patient and consistent in your efforts. The skills and endorsement section is your opportunity to highlight your expertise. Add skills that are relevant to your desired career path. Don't be shy about listing both hard and soft skills. Endorsements from colleagues and connections add credibility to your profile. When you endorse others, they're more likely to return the favor. A strong set of endorsements can make your profile stand out to potential employers. Consider adding work samples, projects, or presentations to your profile. This allows recruiters to see your skills in action. A visually appealing and informative profile is more likely to capture attention. LinkedIn. Job search, your gateway to new beginnings. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to make a change, LinkedIn is the perfect platform to help you find your next opportunity. LinkedIn's job search tool is a game changer for job seekers. It offers a comprehensive and user-friendly interface that makes finding the right job easier than ever before. It allows you to search for jobs by keyword, location, industry, and experience level. This means you can tailor your job search to fit your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you find the best match for your skills and career goals. You can save your searches and set up alerts to be notified of new opportunities. This feature ensures that you never miss out on a potential job opening that fits your criteria. Take advantage of the advanced search filters to narrow down your results. These filters allow you to specify details such as company size, job type, and even remote work options. The more specific you are with your criteria, the more relevant your search results will be. This precision helps you focus on the opportunities that are most aligned with your career aspirations. Research companies you're interested in and follow their LinkedIn pages. This not only keeps you informed about their latest news and job openings, but also helps you understand their company culture and values. This will keep you updated on their latest news and job openings. Staying informed about the companies you want to work for can give you a competitive edge in the job market. You can also see which of your connections work at the company, which can be helpful for networking. Reaching out to your connections can provide valuable insights and potentially open doors to new opportunities. Don't hesitate to send a message to your connections for advice or introductions. Networking is a powerful tool in your job search arsenal. Finally, make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and showcases your skills and experience. A strong profile can attract recruiters and hiring managers, increasing your chances of landing your dream job. With LinkedIn's job search tools and features, you're well on your way to finding your next great opportunity. Embrace the journey and take the first step towards your new beginning today. Direct applications, streamlining your job hunt. Many companies allow you to apply for jobs directly through LinkedIn using your profile. This simplifies the application process, saving you time and effort. Make sure your profile is up to date and tailored to the types of jobs you're seeking. When applying for jobs, personalize your cover letter and resume to highlight your skills and experience that align with the job description. Use keywords from the job posting to increase your chances of getting noticed. Don't be afraid to follow up with the hiring manager after applying. A brief, polite email expressing your interest can help you stand out from other candidates. Be professional and courteous in all your interactions. LinkedIn Premium, unlocking premium job search features. While a free LinkedIn account offers a wealth of features, LinkedIn Premium takes your job search to the next level. It provides access to advanced search filters, insights into who's viewed your profile, and in-mail messaging credits. With LinkedIn Premium, you can see how you stack up against other applicants for a particular job. This information can help you tailor your application to stand out. Premium members also get access to LinkedIn Learning, a platform with thousands of online courses to help you develop new skills. If you're serious about your job search, LinkedIn Premium is worth considering. Engaging for success content, comments, and connections. LinkedIn is more than just a static profile. Engage with content in your feed, like comment and share posts that resonate with you. This helps you build relationships and increases your visibility. Share your own insights and experiences. Post about industry trends, share articles you find interesting, or write about your own career journey. Authenticity and consistency are key. Follow influencers and thought leaders in your field. Their posts can provide valuable insights and keep you informed about industry trends. Engaging with their content can also help you get noticed. Building your brand. Establishing yourself as a thought leader. Your LinkedIn profile is an opportunity to build your personal brand. What do you want to be known for? What are your unique skills and perspectives? Share your thoughts and ideas through regular posts and articles. Participating in LinkedIn groups is a great way to establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Share your expertise, answer questions, and engage in thoughtful discussions. Consistency is crucial for building your brand. Aim to post regularly and engage with your network on a consistent basis. Over time, you'll become known for your insights and perspectives. Pro tips for LinkedIn mastery. Navigate the platform like an expert. Optimize your profile URL. Customize it to include your name for easy sharing and better search engine optimization. Proofread everything. Typos and grammatical errors can make you appear unprofessional. Use visuals. Images and videos can make your profile more engaging. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through in your writing and interactions. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Recommendations from colleagues and clients can add significant weight to your profile. Be patient. Building a strong LinkedIn presence takes time and effort. Stay active, be consistent, and the results will follow. Take charge of your career. Your LinkedIn journey starts today. Your LinkedIn journey starts today. Craft a compelling profile, build your network, showcase your skills, and engage with your connections. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for career advancement. Use it wisely, and you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. Remember, your career is in your hands. Be proactive, stay positive, and never stop learning. The opportunities are out there. Go seize them.